Good morning. How you doing, everyone? Today I'll be putting some new wheels on the Skyline. I've got these DNA Origin 02s. Been sitting in the shed for a while, so they're dirty. But they are 17 by 9s. And with the 20mm spacer, I guess they'll be by 11s. So hopefully they fit on the car. Of course, the wheels are a bit dirty. I'm just going to give them a quick rub off and get them all nice and clean to go on the car. Alright, got the wheels out the front, pull the Skyline out. Alright, front tyre's off. It's currently my stand for the car. And I sort of find out which one's the same. They're a square set wheel, but they're different size tyres. So there's a 225/45. I got a 215/45. So these are the rears, they're the fronts. Alright, wheels on. Not on the ground yet, obviously. But looks like there should be no worries with it. Drop it down nice and slow. Make sure this wheel doesn't crush the fender. That wasn't slow. Not bad. Pretty good gap here, especially with the rolled fender. Doesn't look like it's hidden anything. I'll tighten the wheel up and do a quick turn test just on one, just to make sure it's not gonna hit anything. But I think all is good. No suspension rubbing. It's a nice bit of meat. I think we're all good. Nice. Turn this wheel back straight and we'll see how it looks normal. Oh, it's got a good sit. Not bad at all. So I'll check out the rear, put the rear on, switch sides, and then do this side, I guess. What do you guys like more? Do you like the DNAs on it? Or the GTSTs? I could go GTR wheels, make them a bit fatter, but I do like the Origins. The grey on grey is a bit dull, but I'll roll it for a while. I might change the colour to like white, maybe even chrome, or just go back to black. But it looks good. Very happy. Rears are off, as you can see. I'm a bit worried about this bolt here for the cage inside of it. Hoping the wheel doesn't arch over, rub on it, but we'll see what happens. Alright, so I've got the rears on. Do look pretty good, fit nicely. From the top, I hope they tuck in a bit when I drop it down. So I think it might rub a little bit. And that bolt, nowhere near a worry. I don't know why I was even concerned about it. Okay, I'll pull this tyre out. And I'll have to let this down very slow, so put you down for a second, eh? Boy! Looks like they fit perfect. Not rubbing, plenty of space between the tyre. Bolt is miles away. And it's got a nice little poke out the side, which I like. You can see how much fatter it is compared to this one. So I've been needing some meat for some grip. I like him. I'll have to take it out later, wash it, take a few photos in the sun and whatnot, but oh, it looks a lot better. GTSTs. Origins. I'm gonna go get myself a quick drink. You've seen the process. When you see me again, both sides will be done. All wheels are on now. Gonna go get the car a quick wash. Tighten everything up first again, just make sure. And then go get some photos or something. I don't know, I like how it looks. Alright, you can see it's overcast now. I'm not going to go and wash the car. Did take it around the block. Everything seemed fine, no bumps, no rubbing. Didn't scrub pulling out the driveway, which is awesome as well. But yeah, just going to bring it in. I'll wash it another day, take it out for a good drive and get some better photos for you and whatnot. But it's looking good. I'm glad about how the Origins just transformed the whole car. But anyway guys, Hope you enjoyed the video of me putting the wheels on, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.